You see, it sees the white a little bit.
Okay, we are doing 4th of July.
Do not burn your mother.
It is amazing. 4th of July is the best time of year. And it's because this happened. We are gonna do a little dance to celebrate 4th of July.
Not too fast, otherwise it burns out too fast, Jeremiah.
I know, but
Away from the avalanche, please.
we are gonna do a little dance to appreciate
There you
4th of
go.
July. Hold our things up in the air, Mom.
I gotta stand from here. And what I'd say, I say stay away from the avalanche 1,000 times and you get closer each time. No, don't burn your mom, but you could point it towards the road. Tammy, you like fireworks?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're surrounding you, Dad.
Do you like 4th of July?
Yeah.
Did we eat really well yesterday?
Yes,
Did you enjoy the burritos you made tonight, or whatever you call those?
Meat.
Did you?
Yeah, they were good. I might be ready for another one when we get back in the house. Ooh,
Dad,
that's
look at
bright.
This, Dad, look at this.
I say get away from the avalanche and you get closer.
Not close. It's in front of me.
You used to be 4 feet, now you're 2 feet. You guys are nuts, all of you.
Spin, spin, spin.
Crazy people. Jeremiah's a crazy people. Mommy's a crazy people. Ah!
Sorry.
Yeah, way to go, Jeremiah. What if that landed in her boot? She would have killed you.
Mine's out.
Don't throw it anywhere except right over here by the end of the thing.
Mic drop.
Pick it up.
Why? You said that don't throw it anywhere.
Pick it up.
Okay, I'll set it right in the grass.
Pick it up.
You said set it right there.
Pick it up and put it right here with these others so I don't got to go hunting all over the yard.